In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Bamboo Labs Make My Vase. First, boot up Bamboo Studio, then go to Maker's Lab, then scroll down until you find Make My Vase. Click this button, then click New Project. Now, you can use right-click to move around, left-click to change the scale, and then you can go over here to make whatever kind of vase you want. So now, once you're ready, you can click Export. Open in Studio, if you're using Bamboo Studio. If you're not, download STL, and then open it in whatever you're using. Alright, now once it's exported into Bamboo Studio, you can slice plates. So when slicing, automatically adds supports, so you don't have to paint on supports yourself. And then once you have this, you can print the plate. Remember, this can be printed out of any color you want, so whatever color you have on you, and then you can use your printer to print it. Alright, that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching.